Hey, welcome back. In today's video I will explain how you can add motion effects to your website. By adding these you can make the website stand out better, and it gives the website a modern look and also offers a better user experience. So let's get right into it. I'll show it on the homepage first, so we go back to the WordPress dashboard by clicking the icon at the top left, and then I click on Exit to Dashboard. And then I go to the Pages. Now I go to the homepage and I click on Edit with Elementor. And the effects you can add in Elementor are called motion effects, and you can add them to sections, columns and widgets. And this is very easy to do. You only have to select one of those and then go to the Advanced tab, and over there you will see the motion effects. So to give an example, I select the first section and then go to the Advanced tab, and here you will see the option Motion Effects, and at Entrance Animation you will see that none is now indicated. You can see an overview of all the effects by clicking the arrow down, and as you can see there are many options available. For example, if you select Fade In, you can see what it looks like on the canvas. And for regular visitors the effect is only visible the first time after a page load, so the effect doesn't continuously keep repeating itself. So now I'll quickly show you a few other examples, like the slide in to left, and now the whole section slides in from the left, as you can see. And you can also do this from the right side with the slide in right option. And another cool example is this zoom in up effect. And there are so many effects to choose from that you really should just see for yourself which one you like and which one you don't like. And you can also set the animation duration at the next option in the menu. And over here I set it to slow, and I choose the first option, Fade In Entrance Animation. As I mentioned, you can also add motion effects to a column or a widget, and it works exactly in the same way. For example, I select the column from the first section and I go to the Advanced tab, and over there you will have the motion effects, and over at Entrance Animation you can set the effect again, and it will be only applied to this column. So for example, if I select Fade In Left, you can see what it looks like again on the canvas, and I will set it back to none, because for this example I only want to set an effect for the section, heading and the text. So now I go to the heading and I select the widget by clicking on it, and then I go to the Advanced tab, and over at the motion effects you can set an effect again, and here I choose the Fade In Left, and after that I set the animation duration to slow. Now I will also add a motion effect to the gray text below the heading, and I select this and I go to the Advanced tab again, and there I choose Fade In Right, so that it comes from the other side as the text above. And I also set the animation duration to slow. Now I click the update button at the bottom of the page to save the changes. Then I click on the arrow to hide the menu, and I refresh the page now so you can see what the effects looks like. This way you have a good idea how it works and how you can set it up. So this was just to give you an example, and now I set the effects for the heading and the gray text back to none, because I only want to add the fade in effect at the section level. My advice is also not to exaggerate by setting effects for all the sections, columns and widgets on your page, because then it quickly becomes too much, and it also can have a negative impact on the loading time of your website. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the effect to all the sections on all the blocks and the pages. And these are basically the same steps over and over again, so I'll continue with the video after I'm done. So now I'm done with adding the motion effects to the sections on all the pages and all the posts, and now we're going to have a look at the website. And we're going to view this as a regular visitor, so therefore I open a browser in an incognito tab, and I already have the homepage open, so now I'm going to click refresh so we can see all the motion effects, and as you can see all the sections have the fade in effect and everything is looking clean. And also this website will be available as a template that you can download for free, and if you want you can add something here and there, such as an extra widget or some extra space or whatever, but I'm very happy with the result and how everything looks. So now let's test the search function by typing something in the search field, like top 3. And after the page is loaded, we can see in the results only the posts are shown with top 3 in the post title. So everything is working fine, and now I click on the first blog post to see what it looks like. And over here we can also see the table of contents widget that we have added, and if you click on a link you will immediately scroll to that part of the page. So that's also working how it should be. And I think everything turned out pretty nice actually, so I'm happy with the result. And another thing I want to show you is that if you now click on previous or next, you can immediately view another post. You can also select the category by going to the header, or you can go to the breadcrumbs, and if I go to the breadcrumbs in this post, I click on the category, and now we can see all the posts that belongs to this category. By clicking on the logo in the header or the footer, you can return to the home page. And let's also take a look at the About Us page. And when I click on the button, it links to the contact page. And in the header you can also see the links for the 3 categories I made for this tutorial. And as I've shown you, you can completely customize the navigation menu, and if you want to, you can also add other links, or you can remove certain links if you want to, and you can do that from the WordPress dashboard. And the category pages also look good, still a bit empty because there's only one post in each category, but if more will be added with a couple of nice images, it would definitely look a lot better. And the last page to take a look at is the all post page, and for that I click on the button, and now we can see a nice overview on the page of all the blog posts organized by category. The website is also fully responsive, so make sure to check it out on your mobile and also on a tablet device, and the link also will be added in the description of this video. As I mentioned, I will also make the templates available to download for free, so you can import them on your website and take it from there. Then you already have the complete responsive website with all the parts already designed, and you can get started by just restyling and adjusting the font, the text, the colors and the images. The purpose of this whole series on how to make an affiliate blog website was to show people without any experience how the process works to build a professional website at low cost. I wanted to make the tutorial as clear as possible so that it's easy to follow for everyone. So I hope I have succeeded in this and that I have inspired you, and I would appreciate if you would leave your feedback, questions or suggestions for new videos in the comments. What I like about affiliate marketing is that you can do it from home, and if you master the skill, a world of opportunities will open up for you to earn money with your own website. And if you follow the steps that I've showed you, you can really keep the cost to a minimum, so you can build your first website, join some affiliate networks, and then make your own blog post to get started. Now don't expect to get a lot of visitors in the first weeks or months, because it really has to take some time before you start seeing results from organic search traffic. Of course, this also depends on the industry and the competition, and you can also use ads to get people to your website faster, but I will cover that in another video. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so, and there's a lot more valuable content coming up to help you get started with building websites and affiliate marketing. I will also go deeper into SEO and online advertising, so keep an eye on the channel in the near future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.